Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I will show you 3 important security settings you need to turn on right now on your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here. And on getting to your phone settings, next thing you need to do is to come to the search right here. What you need to do is to just type in security. Then it's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on password and security. Then it's going to take you right here. Then at this point here, you have to simply scroll down under the security app. What you need to do is to click on mobile anti-theft. Click on that. Then on getting to this point here, power off verification. Shut down the phone with the screen lock. Require verification of the screen lock password. Now consider to turn this off. When you turn this off and your phone got stolen, it will be difficult for anybody to have access back to your phone to unlock what you have on the phone. Then this is the first security that you need to turn on your Android phone. Then another thing to turn on your Android phone is that you have to go to theft alert. Click on that. Under the theft alert, make sure you turn on this particular theft alert. Turn it on. Enable theft alert. Screen lock is required to enable theft alert. Will be triggered when charging is interrupted. You can stop it by unlocking the phone. Simply click on enable, then enter your lock pattern and it become enable. Then that is for anti-theft alert. So simply go back. So this simply means that you can see anti-theft alert will be alerted if charging is connected. This is very much important when you are charging your phone and someone steal your phone from the socket. You will receive an alert that somebody is interrupt and steal your phone without any threat. So this is the second security tips you need to make sure you turn on right now on your phone. Lastly, you have to go to find my. So I will click on find my device. So it's going to be. So make sure you turn on your find my device on your phone and make sure send last location is always enabled. This is very much security things that allow you to track your phone if your phone got lost or someone steal your phone. It's as simple as that. So these are 3 important security you need to turn on right now on your Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.